AfriForum challenges NHI regulations, cites prematurity and legal concerns. In a bold move, the South African civil rights organization AfriForum has issued a warning to the Department of Health regarding the premature publication of regulations concerning the National Health Insurance (NHI) system. With several compelling reasons presented by AfriForum, the organization underscores the inadvisability of promulgating any regulations under the NHI Act at this stage. AfriForum's concern primarily orbits the fact that, although the NHI Act was ratified on May 15th, it has yet to be promulgated by President Cyril Ramaphosa. This critical procedural step is a prerequisite before any further action, such as the publishing of regulations, can legitimately occur. Additionally, the organization highlighted Health Minister Joe Falla's commitment to engaging in a public input roadshow, seeking to understand the populace's sentiments and necessities regarding the NHI. The specter of constitutionality concerns also looms large over the NHI, with ongoing court investigations attempting to ascertain the Act's compliance with South Africa's constitution. Moreover, AfriForum signals the necessity to amend several other existing laws before the NHI's implementation could legally and logistically transpire. Yet despite these considerations, the National Department of Health's head of NHI, Dr. Nicholas Cusp, has foreshadowed the release of early NHI regulations within a forthcoming month. This announcement prompted AfriForum's campaign officer, Louise Boshoff, to articulate the organization's perspective that such action would not only be premature, but disregards the manifold legal and practical issues surrounding the NHI. Boshoff articulated that the Department of Health appears to be neglecting public sentiment and constitutional considerations regarding NHI, prioritizing the push-through of ANC's health policy regardless of potential legal invalidation in the future. AfriForum has been persistently vocal against the NHI, criticizing it for reasons ranging from its potential to repel medical practitioners from South Africa to fears of soaring tax rates and corruption vulnerabilities within the proposed NHI fund. AfriForum is also preparing for legal action against the government in anticipation of the possible detrimental impacts on South Africa's health system's post-NHI implementation. The organization insists that the Department of Health should first acknowledge and tackle the pressing challenges within the existing healthcare framework before advancing with NHI aspirations. As the landscape of South African healthcare stands at a potential crossroads, AfriForum's stand against the Department of Health serves as a reminder that policy enactment must be well-timed, legally sound, and thoroughly deliberated, especially when it will have far-reaching consequences on the nation's health system and populace. Thank you for choosing Satori News.